Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device. If you set yourself PIN, password or any other lock screen method, and unfortunately you forget the key and you can't unlock your device, so what you can do in this kind of situation: firstly, you will have to turn your device off. After it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination power key and volume up at the same time for a few seconds like this. After you enter this kind of menu, here you have to use volume up to navigate and volume down to select, and you have to select the first option, recovery mode. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select the fifth option, wipe data factory reset, and then confirm it by selecting yes. After you see the message data wipe complete, you can select the first option, reboot system now, and after that your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for our channel.